The world's balance of power doesn't always shift with explosions. Sometimes it moves silently through steel, circuits, and strategy. Far from the spotlight, one warship is redefining how naval dominance is measured. This is the story of China's most powerful carrier yet, the Type 003 Fujian. Number 1. A new era of Chinese naval power. The Fujian Type 003 aircraft carrier represents a historic leap in China's naval modernization program. As the largest and most advanced warship China has ever built, it marks a clear shift from regional to global maritime ambitions. With a displacement of approximately 80,000 to 85,000 tons and a length of 316 meters, the Fujian surpasses earlier carriers such as Liaoning and Shandong in both size and technological sophistication. Commissioned in late 2025, the carrier is not merely a warship but a symbol of China's growing military and industrial capabilities. Its construction reflects China's ability to rapidly develop high-tech naval platforms with predominantly domestic components. Strategically, the Fujian allows China to project power far beyond its territorial waters, influencing the South China Sea, Taiwan Strait, and even the Indian Ocean. The carrier's presence signifies a challenge to traditional naval powers, particularly the United States, and serves as a centerpiece in China's emerging blue water navy. Its deployment is a clear statement of Beijing's intent to safeguard trade routes, assert regional dominance, and enhance its geopolitical leverage. Number 2. Revolutionary design and flight deck. Unlike China's earlier carriers, which relied on refurbished Soviet designs, the Fujian is a fully indigenous catobar aircraft carrier. Its flight deck integrates catapult-assisted takeoff and arresting wires, enabling the launch and recovery of heavier, fully armed aircraft with unprecedented efficiency. This system allows for rapid, high-tempo operations that significantly increase combat readiness compared to the ski-jump carriers of the past. The carrier's hull is reinforced with stabilizers and radar-absorbing coatings to enhance stealth and survivability in contested environments. The design prioritizes both offensive and defensive capabilities, allowing the ship to operate effectively even in heavily surveilled waters. The flight deck supports simultaneous aircraft launches, recoveries, and refueling, increasing sortie rates and operational endurance. With advanced hangars and aircraft elevators, the Fujian can manage a large and diverse air wing while maintaining deck efficiency. Overall, the carrier's design reflects decades of research and development, combining lessons learned from Western carriers with China's own technological innovations. Number 3. Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System. The Fujian's most significant technological leap is its Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System, EMALS, which replaces traditional steam catapults. EMALS uses electromagnetic energy to accelerate aircraft smoothly and reliably, allowing heavier planes to take off with full fuel and armaments. This system improves aircraft sortie rates, reduces mechanical wear, and enhances the safety of flight operations. During trials, China demonstrated the ability to launch multiple aircraft per minute with a high success rate, outperforming earlier generations of catapults. EMALS positions China alongside the United States as one of the only nations capable of operating electromagnetic launch systems at sea. This technology enables a greater variety of aircraft, including fifth-generation fighters and unmanned aerial vehicles, to operate efficiently from a single carrier. The system's reliability and performance reflect China's growing industrial capacity and ability to produce sophisticated naval technologies domestically. EMALS is a critical factor in allowing the Fujian to execute sustained air operations in both regional and long-distance maritime theaters. Number 4. Advanced Propulsion and Power Systems. The Fujian is powered by conventional steam turbines combined with integrated electric systems, providing sufficient endurance for extended operations in regional and strategic theaters. While it is not nuclear-powered like the U.S. Ford-class carriers, its propulsion is optimized to support high-energy systems such as EMALS, advanced radar arrays, and onboard electronic warfare capabilities. The ship can sustain long-duration missions without requiring frequent resupply, making it a credible platform for both defensive and offensive operations. The integrated power system ensures smooth operation of all shipboard systems simultaneously, including radar, sensors, communication networks, and aircraft maintenance facilities. The propulsion design emphasizes both efficiency and reliability, reducing operational costs while maintaining performance comparable to larger nuclear carriers. With its balance of power and endurance, the Fujian is capable of patrolling the South China Sea, the Taiwan Strait, and the Indian Ocean, fulfilling China's strategic objectives for maritime dominance. This propulsion system underlines China's growing competence in building complex, high-tech naval platforms. Number 5. Formidable air wing capabilities. The Fujian can carry a robust air wing of approximately 50 to 60 aircraft, designed to provide air superiority, reconnaissance, and precision strike capabilities. Its complement includes the J-35 stealth fighter, China's first fifth-generation carrier-based aircraft, capable of long-range strikes and penetrating contested airspace undetected. The J-15T multi-role fighters perform both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions, carrying heavy payloads of modern missiles. KJ-600 airborne early warning aircraft provide extended radar coverage of 300 to 400 kilometers, giving commanders situational awareness over vast maritime areas. Helicopters on board conduct anti-submarine warfare and search and rescue missions, while unmanned aerial vehicles perform surveillance, electronic warfare, and strike operations. This integrated air wing allows the Fujian to operate autonomously in combat, executing complex multi-domain operations with high efficiency. The combination of manned and unmanned aircraft ensures versatility, enabling both offensive and defensive operations. The air wing's capability to launch heavier payloads at longer ranges represents a significant upgrade over previous Chinese carriers. Number 6. Artificial intelligence and command systems. The Fujian incorporates advanced artificial intelligence, AI, and command systems, enhancing operational efficiency and battlefield responsiveness. AI assists with flight deck operations, coordinating multiple aircraft and UAV launches while minimizing human error. It also analyzes real-time data from radar, sensors, and satellites to optimize mission planning and targeting. During simulated combat scenarios, the AI can manage the simultaneous operations of J-15 and J-35 fighters, ensuring takeoff and landing sequences are executed with precision. Beyond the flight deck, AI plays a central role in battlefield management, assessing threats, recommending strategies, and integrating strike operations with carrier strike group assets. This integration reduces reaction times and enhances the effectiveness of both offensive and defensive operations. By leveraging AI, the Fujian can operate in high-threat environments with greater situational awareness and efficiency than older carrier platforms. Number 7. Stealth, electronic warfare, and UAV integration. The Fujian is equipped with advanced stealth features, electronic warfare systems, and UAV integration, enabling it to operate effectively in contested environments. The J-15D electronic warfare aircraft can disrupt enemy radar and communications, while the GJ-11 unmanned combat aerial vehicle UCAV provides reconnaissance, strike capability, and radar jamming support. UAVs can be deployed in coordinated swarms, extending the carrier's operational reach and reducing the risk to manned aircraft. These capabilities allow the Fujian to neutralize threats from surface ships, submarines, and enemy aircraft while maintaining operational security. The integration of stealth, electronic warfare, and unmanned systems demonstrates China's emphasis on modern multi-domain naval warfare, ensuring the carrier can dominate complex maritime scenarios. The combination of these technologies makes the Fujian not only a force projection platform, but also a key tool in electronic and information warfare. Number 8. Strategic role and global influence. The Fujian serves as a cornerstone of China's blue water naval strategy, extending the nation's ability to secure trade routes, project military power, and safeguard economic interests. Its presence in the South China Sea, Taiwan Strait, and Indian Ocean strengthens China's control over vital maritime choke points, including the Malacca Strait. Operating as the centerpiece of a carrier strike group, the Fujian works in coordination with Type 055 destroyers, nuclear submarines, and support vessels to conduct extended maritime operations. The carrier enhances China's geopolitical influence, signaling its readiness to defend strategic interests and assert power beyond regional waters. Its deployment has triggered responses from neighboring countries, prompting Japan, Australia, and other regional actors to modernize fleets and strengthen alliances. The Fujian's ability to operate globally ensures China's presence in strategic maritime theaters, shaping the balance of naval power in the Indo-Pacific region. Number 9. The future of China's carrier fleet. The Fujian is a stepping stone toward the Type 004 nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, expected around 2030. The Type 004 will feature a larger flight deck, quantum radar, and potential directed energy weapons, further enhancing China's strategic capabilities. By 2035, China aims to operate 3 to 4 carrier strike groups capable of simultaneous deployment across the Pacific and Indian Oceans. This long-term vision reflects China's ambition to establish a global naval presence capable of challenging U.S. carrier dominance. The success of the Fujian also highlights China's growing industrial self-reliance, with over 90% of components produced domestically. This capability reduces dependence on foreign technology, accelerates production, and allows China to develop cutting-edge naval platforms efficiently. The Fujian demonstrates that China is now not only closing the technological gap with the United States, but is poised to compete at the highest levels of modern naval warfare.